How does it feel?
Yeah.
I have to take a I have to take a morning flight to Chennai, so right now I'm mostly worried. More than when will I go home? When will I sleep? When will I wake up? When will I take that flight?
I think this is the like a different question we have ever gotten from any actor. I think nobody has said this. Everybody like, I'm very happy this that.
Oh, but that is the
But yeah,
state of my mind
Situation right now.
Yeah, but
Citrus.
as an acknowledgement like this is important for any actor. It's like validation. Even if I need it or not, as an actor, this validates. It's a very public feeling.
You have chicken.
Public validation that the industry, the people consider his performance.
Okay, one
I think
With
it's
what
important.
cheese?
That's why
Okay, one
even though awards are not something that I'm very interested in. I don't know the right word, but when it's given, I think I want it to be there to like a whole. I know like I got to know that some bunch of industry people sat and they select the performances. They like people vote for you. So వీళ్ళంతా ఇంత చేస్తున్నారు కదా. It's nice to just be there for it. So
And your mom got very emotional. She was crying actually.
Avana?
Yeah.
But my mom's like that. No, moms are like that. They're just too much, very emotional and love too much and stuff like that. So moms are like that. Papam, the thing is, throughout the evening, she was like, when Pelli Chupulu got Filmfare, I didn't get it. When Pelli Chupulu got National Award, I didn't get it. So she always had this thing that I want Vijay to get the Filmfare, the National Award. No, sometime. So she told my uncle and other relatives, Vijay will bring one day. So then today when they were announcing, she was like, yes, like I want to take the Black Lady home. And then I was like,
And
oh,
you
shit.
dedicated it to.
Yeah, just
Okay,
like
I'll call you.
5-10 minutes before, like I was waiting and I'm like, arey, still people are sitting and waiting at like 1 o'clock. I wouldn't have, if I didn't have to take that for example, and if I'm an actor and stuff, so I was kind of waiting, but I wouldn't have waited otherwise. So I just decided then, and then she was telling me this and I was like, oh shit, like now what do I do type. And I was like, mom will be disappointed. She was like, no, I'm really proud of you. She didn't know why I said that. So then on stage. Like,
But what was the idea of dedicating this award to?
until like what?
To who actually are you dedicating this award to?
It's not a dedication. It is just like, I think like if, see, I said I want to give it to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Chief Minister Relief Fund accepts money.
Yeah.
People can donate. They can't do anything with a Filmfare. What Chief Minister's Relief Fund does is really poor people across the state, be it anyone, if they need anything from these funds, they mostly for medical help. And I always see like KTR's Twitter account where people are saying my son has this, my daughter has this, and he's sending people saying this will be done and stuff. That's one thing that was in my head. I wanted to give the award to Sandeep, but that bugger didn't come. So I was like, this fellow didn't come, and I asked him like come, because in my head every award that I get I thought I'm giving it off to Sandeep. He didn't come, and then meanwhile I was thinking about all these people who are waiting and stuff, and I was like, more than it being on my shelf, it serves a better purpose, like if it can be put to some sort of use, no? Like I did my job, I got so much adulation, I got money, I got like this mad following. What will I do with it? Like so I just felt like maybe you can put it to something. Yeah. I think I'll have some tradition that okay, for waiting this long at the awards and like giving that performance, and for people voting, it's like if it works, it's like a cool thing. Then maybe I'll just start doing this. Just keep accumulating.
But has this award given you a kick? Because I remember last time when we spoke, you said nothing matters to you unless and until the competition is with you. You don't really care who is thinking what or who's expecting what.
I don't even know what
I know.
said.
You told me that also. Ki whenever I speak, I don't even remember what I speak.
Vijay morning grilled chicken.
What was your question? Did it give me a kick? I don't know. I feel very normal.
Yeah,
like I feel like
new grilled chicken, no?
I feel like I attended an
Totally fine.
event. I feel like just after
Yeah.
shoot.
And do you have any sandwiches?
I feel like I finished shoot
With
and I
sandwiches
came
and
back, but
Hmm.
I'm not feeling any. I don't know why
Not
it is. Maybe it's because of so many things that
Yeah,
I don't know.
but I don't want to.
I'll see, like,
something healthier.
Maybe 2-3 awards later will I feel different,
Grilled chicken sandwich.
or maybe
Because last year you were hosting Filmfare and this year
yeah,
you're
yeah, hosting.
Yes.
Yeah, hosting was fun only.
205.
Tiring but fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, I don't feel a kick, but it's satisfying.
No problem.
I don't
Thank
feel
you.
like one
Yeah.
adrenaline or kick or something, but it's very satisfying.
too early, you think, because you said on stage that 3 years, like 3 films and this award, you know,
No,
where
man,
you
like-
were competing with big actors like
I was. That's a fact that I'm competing with actors that I've been seeing. Like when I was first standard, I was watching some of these superstars films. So that is a little surreal. Ante, like if I go back in time, I think as the Vijay who was in first standard, I was lost in one theater while watching one Chiranjeevi film. So my dad, we had come out to get some snacks. I remember being lost and I was so scared and this huge. So I remember
this
at
was like
that
as a
age-
child.
Yeah, this was like first grade.
Oh, okay.
So, and from there, and then at one point in life, I wanted to be an actor. It was impossible. I know how hard, how stressful, how like it feels like it'll never happen. Don't have this castle. Don't build castles in the air like reality check. And I was considering dropping acting. And I know how Yevaday happened, and then after Yevaday, I know like for 1 year I thought Yevaday was my big break, and 1 year nothing happened again, and I remember being super stressed, saying this is what I want to do. I gave the best performance, but why is it still not happening? And I remember calling the producers of Yevaday saying, guide me, tell me something. Luckily, Pelli Chuplu happened. So like if I look at the journey, it feels very strange that now I'm sitting on a front row.
And you don't have time for anybody.
Yeah, as in being the last guy to take the award and people are waiting and all this, it feels like it's like very strange.
You want to say.
Good night. Can I say good night? Let me sleep
Yeah.
also.
Yeah, please sleep. You have a early morning flight.
Yeah, I'll go.
Congratulations again.
Thanks, sir.